Hello friends, today I have come with a new topic Save Lakshadweep campaign जो कि काफ़ी न्यूज़ में है फ्रॉम आई थिंक फ्रॉम 22nd May और 23rd May. Okay, actually the issue began with the death of Dineshwar Sharma, who was the administrator of Lakshadweep. Okay, after that Mr. Praful Patel was appointed as a administrator of Lakshadweep, and he's also the first politician to be appointed as a administrator. Okay. His rule saw the archipelago descending from COVID-free region to have cases over 7,000, and Mr. Patel changed the standard operating procedure for induced lockdown in the island. Inhabitants, mainly Muslims, are complaining that the administrator is pursuing Hindutva agenda. देखो यार, कंसर्न की बात यह है कि लक्षद्वीप की पॉपुलेशन बेसिकली आई थिंक अराउंड 70,000 है, and cases over 7,000 of COVID-19 is really a big issue. और सबसे आश्चर्यजनक बात यह है कि in 2020 there was not even a single case in Lakshadweep. After the SOP was changed, the first case appeared in Lakshadweep on 1st January, in January 2021. Okay, here also Lakshadweep basically is an archipelago of 36 islands in Arabian Sea. Okay, and these islands, as you are seeing, Bitra, Chitlat, Kiltan, Andros, Cerium, Kalpeni, all these Kawarati. Here is one dialect is very dominant, that is Jaseri. But except in Minikoy, Mahal is dominant, Mahal. Okay, uh, and I think for prelims you must have the knowledge of what is distance between Kochi and Kerala or Kochi and Lakshadweep. How is Lakshadweep more near to Kochi or Maldives? This is your homework. Please do it. This will really help because यूपीएससी के prelims के पैटर्न काफी चेंज हो चुके हैं. And I think you must know it very deeply. Okay, so let's go to issue. Mr. Praful has started some of the reforms. The first one being the draft regulation for Lakshadweep Development Authority. It gives the administrator powers to remove or relocate islanders from their property for town planning or any developmental activity. It includes widening of road, anything which he deems fit. Okay. This is widely opposed because this might, as the islander thinks, that this might have been issued at the behest of real estate interests seeking to usurp the small holdings of property owned by the islanders. A majority of them, 94.8% as per the 2011 census, belonging to the scheduled tribes. Okay, इसमें एक और provision है that it empowers the administrator to constitute planning and development authorities under it to plan the development of any area identified as having bad layout or obsolete development. इसमें एक एक्सेप्शन ये है कि कंटोनमेंट एरियाज आर एग्जेम्प्टेड. गोइंग फर्दर, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज एक्ट पास एक्ट. आई थिंक इसको इसको लोग गुंडा एक्ट भी कहते हैं. इंट्रोड्यूस इन जनवरी 2021. इन दिस एक्ट person can be detained without any public disclosure for a period of 1 to 1 year. Okay, this is actually remind me of the Rowlatt Act of 1919. ना. Third is draft panchayat notification. Candidates having more than two children are ineligible to contest panchayat elections. Other reforms being proposed beef ban. It has closed down all dairy farms operated by the Animal Husbandry Department. The, the draft law intends to ban slaughter, transportation, and selling or buying of beef products. लोग जहाँ पे लोग मेनली सी फूड्स पे डिपेंड करते हैं, उनका मेजर फूड जो एरिया है सी फूड से, वहाँ पर आप बीफ बैन कर रहे हैं. एंड इवन इन द मिड डे मील, वहाँ पे बच्चों को मिड डे मील में नॉनवेज दिया जाता था. ओके, नाउ उन लोगों को नॉनवेज नहीं दिया जाएगा. दिस इज क्वाइट रिडिकुलस. बट हम लोगों को उस वे में नहीं सोचना है. हम लोगों को बस पॉइंट्स जानने हैं क्या है क्या नहीं है. एंड वी मस्ट पास द एग्जाम. ओके. एंड अनदर लाइसेंस इज बार लाइसेंस इन लिकर सेल. Now, Lakshadweep is the only union territory that bans the sale and consumption of alcohol. Consumption is permitted only on the island of Bangaram. And Bangaram is an uninhabited island, but the Bangaram Island Resort has a bar. This prohibition is under the Lakshadweep Prohibition Order 1979. Actually, this line should be here. By mistake यहाँ हो गया. Okay. लेकिन अब वहाँ पे बार लाइसेंसेस एंड लिकर सेल को प्रमोट किया जा रहा है. वहाँ पे लीगल सेल लिकर लाइसेंसेस को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जा रहा है, जहाँ पे लिकर पीने वाले बहुत ही कम लोग हैं. जस्ट फॉर मेकिंग, एंड द आर्गुमेंट इज बीइंग मेड दैट इट इज डन फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड. नाउ कम टू पैंडेमिक पार्ट. एज मैंने आपको बताया पहले ही लेक्चर में कि फर्स्ट केस इन द आइलैंड सोड अप इन जनवरी 2021. This is mainly blamed due to the changed standard operating procedure in December 2020. The new SOP waived the quarantine period in December. Okay. Basically, previously, SOP mandated passengers to quarantine for 14 days at guest house at Kochi, which was being run by the UT administration, and the RT-PCR test after that. But in December, the new SOP waived off the quarantine period. The new guidelines only required one to carry a negative RT-PCR test from a ICMR approved lab. So this is the all issue, and the result is that after this waiving of the COVID precautions or COVID guidelines, SOP, quarantine periods, लक्षद्वीप में अभी currently 7,000 से ऊपर cases है. Okay, and Mr. Praful Patel is no stranger to controversies. वो पहले पॉलिटिशियन है जो कि अपॉइंट हुए हैं एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. उनके खिलाफ एक केस भी हुआ था, मुंबई पुलिस ने उनका नाम दर्ज किया था. एक सुसाइड केस था दादरा एंड नगर हवेली के एमपी मोहन दिलकर के. ही नेम्ड हिम इन हिज सुसाइड नोट. Okay, there are some controversies in him, but he is not our focus right now. We must learn these points. What are these, and what are his pros and cons? This will help in writing mains answers. Okay, so thank you. That will be all for today. Thanks very much. मैं आपको फिर एक और नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलूंगा कल. So thanks a lot.